I'm going to explain you some built-in function or method inside the list. First method is a max method. Max method will simply return you the item which have maximum value inside the list of items. So here I created a list and assigning some value. Here we have some items and now I'm going to print the maximum value of this inside the item. So for that you have to use max method and put a variable a. So here we get the result 83 because 83 is the largest integer value inside this list of items. Min method will simply return you the minimum value from the list. So here I created a list and assigning some value. So here we have some item inside the list. So here I'm going to simply print the minimum value from the list. So here we run this module and now we get the result 23 because 23 is the minimum inside this whole list of items. Count method returns item how many times repeated inside the list. So for that I initially created a list, the same list. Now I'm going to repeat some item which is 167 and 23 and 23. So here I'm going to count the value 23. So a dot count 23. So here I run this module. So here we get the result 3 because this 23 value repeated 3 times inside this list. So simply count method will return you the item which are repeated inside the list. The next method is index method. Index method will simply return the index value of the existing item. So now I initially created a same list and now I'm going to find the index value of this item. So for that here I put a dot index and now I'm going to write the value inside this index method and now I'm going to run this module. So here we get the result 1 because the index position of this item is 1 because the index position of this item is 0. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4.